Gold mining is a long-lasting process, which is due to its multi-stage nature. First, pre-crushed pieces of gold-bearing ore are placed on special platforms, the bottom of which is lined with a dense material such as a tarpaulin. Ore layers are treated with special reagents, drainage systems are located between them. Then, the gold-containing pulp goes to special mills, drum, ball, vibrating, hammer or other. From there, to the cascades of mixers, where additional reagents are added to the mixture of solid particles and liquid. The purpose of the described processes is to achieve the best grinding of gold-bearing ore and maximum contact of metal molecules with reagents. Only in this case it is possible to extract the maximum amount of gold from the rock as we are used to seeing it. Existing technologies do not ensure the complete extraction of gold from gold-bearing ores, and on average this indicator is about 80%, and 20% goes to the dump together with the rock, although time and money are spent on processing the entire volume of ore. That's why Globecore has developed innovative technology, which helps to extract maximum of ore molecules from an ore, speed up and make this process cheaper. This technology is implemented in Vortex layer devices of the AVS type. During gold extraction, AVS works with pulp and replaces industrial mills and mixers, which grind the mixture for a long and expensive time, and then mix it with reagents. The principle of grinding and mixing in the Vortex layer device is as follows. The device includes an electromagnetic field inductor, a working chamber and steel ferromagnetic particles that are placed in the working chamber. Under the influence of an electromagnetic field, which is created by the inductor, ferromagnetic particles move in the working chamber along complex trajectories. During this movement, they collide with each other and with the particles of the processed ore. As a result, ore particles are micro-shredded and mixed with reagents. At the same time, AVS is not only a grinder and mixer, but also an intensifier, catalyst, of chemical reactions due to additional physical and chemical processes that take place in the working chamber. This is intensive mixing of processed raw materials with reagents, high local pressures, ultrasonic vibrations, magnetostriction and cavitation. The same factors make it possible to reduce the consumption of reagents several times compared to traditional technologies. As a result, the use of Vortex layer devices at the stage of enrichment of gold-bearing ores allows to increase the yield of gold up to 99%. Additionally, Globecore Vortex layer devices at 10 times lower specific electricity consumption compared to traditional mills, are easily integrated into existing lines of beneficiation of gold-bearing ores, are easy to maintain and operate silently. Which equipment do you use to increase the yield of gold from gold-bearing ores? Tell us about its efficiency in the comments. You can find additional information about Vortex layer devices for gold extraction by following the link in the first comment or on the website www.globecore.com.